Do you want to improve your sentence construction by not using the same exact words over and over again? I know sometimes we don't want to sound redundant by using the same exact words over and over again. So here's a hack I'm going to teach you. Learning using alternatives or synonym words. Here are some alternatives or synonym words using the word but. Instead of but, you can use however. The new movie received mixed reviews, however, a lot of people still liked it. Instead of but, you can also use yet. I wanted to go for a quick run, yet the weather made me change my plans. You can also use although. I planned to study all night, although I was really tired. I decided to just finish all my assignments. For more of this, you can go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Ideas Worth Sharing. Have a blessed one, everyone.